Writers, today we're going to look at yet another subtraction of fractions problem. Today I'm trying to solve 7/9 minus 5/9. The first and most important thing for us to take note of before we start this problem is that both of these fractions are speaking the same language. They're both written with ninths in the denominator, and that's really important because that is going to tell us that we really only have one step in this problem, just subtract. If those numbers were different, we'd have to add some extra steps. So far I've showed you how to do the standard algorithm and the number line strategy, but if neither of those work for you right now, I want to show you how to use a fraction strip or a picture. I went ahead and drew a rectangle, and this rectangle represents one whole. And I split this one whole into 9 pieces. And that's because the denominator of our fraction is ninths. So I split this rectangle into ninths. Okay, so 7/9 is the amount that I'm starting with. So I'm going to go ahead and color in 7 of these boxes. Alright, there are 7/9 colored in. And in this problem, we have 7/9 and then we're taking away 5/9. Okay, so we need to somehow show that we are going to take away 5/9 from this picture. And really, you have a lot of options here. If you have an eraser, you could just start erasing 5/9. I am going to just use another color and X out those boxes to show that I don't want them anymore. Whatever makes sense in your brain and will make sense to your reader who's looking at your math work is okay. So I need to take away 5/9. So I'm going to just start Xing these out. There's 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, and 5/9. Okay, so I've gotten rid of the color in each of these boxes, essentially. I've crossed them out. To find my answer, I'm just going to look at how many boxes are still colored in. How many boxes are colored in without an X on them. Okay, so I can see that there's one right here, and there's another one right here. Okay, so I see that there are 2 out of the 9 that are colored in. So the answer to 7/9 minus 5/9 is 2/9. You can use this strategy for any fraction. As long as they're speaking the same language and you cut the fraction strip into the correct number of pieces, this strategy will always work for you. So it's a great one if you're currently struggling with the standard algorithm. Good luck.